we talk about how can you delete your account on your Wayfair app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on personal info here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on delete here my account. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So you just switch into open video here. So it's going to take our time here to open video. So then here add your email address and you click here on continue here. So then it's going to delete video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.